What's going on, YouTube? So check it out. I'm doing an unboxing video today on these 2020 Nike Benassi slides, JDIs. So yeah, let's get into it. If you could do me a favor though, and just like help me out and subscribe to my channel real quick, that would like go a long way. And like this video for sure. I got a bunch of different unboxing videos on my channel. So there we go. We got the Just Do It white Nike slides. These things are pretty awesome looking. Upper contains synthetic leather. You heard? They got synthetic leather. I'm gonna throw these in my light box real quick so y'all can get a good view of them. What do you guys think about these? You like them? They're pretty flashy, I guess. I don't know. What's your favorite pair of Nike slides, guys? Let me know. I gotta do a review on all of them. I already got like 7 different reviews. But yo, check these out too while you're at it. I did a review of these slides as well, a little unboxing video, so go check that out on my channel. I'm about to do a bunch of unboxing videos today, as you can see. So check out my channel, like this video. Good looking out. Happy 2020.